Since she puts coffee in her face, she seems to be 10 years younger. She is very beautiful. As a beauty product, coffee makes an excellent exfoliating, cellulite mask and reducer. It can add shine to the hair and even cheer up hair color. Here are some good reasons to save coffee grounds from the trash. 1. Coffee for your body. Anti-cellulite. Coffee grounds can reduce the appearance of cellulite. Create a mixture of 2 parts ground coffee with 1 part water, and add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil. Dip a loofah or washcloth into the mixture and massage into the skin for increased circulation, smoother skin and finer texture while in the shower. Skin coffee. Use 1/2 cup ground coffee mixed with 1/4 cup brown sugar. Add the olive or coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Caffeine in coffee helps eliminate unwanted oils and discard dead skin. 2. Coffee for your face. Coffee scrub. As a scrub, ground coffee can really cheer your complexion. Take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can add more or less, depending on how sandy you want to go, before adding 1 tablespoon of a natural oil, coconut, olive or almond. Massage on clean skin and then rinse thoroughly with warm water for an instant shine. Coffee mask. To tighten the skin, use 2 tablespoons ground coffee, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons yogurt, and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix and apply a thin layer on the face. Let stand for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse.